Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hello, everybody, and welcome back. My name is Ella, and I am a Salesforce consultant here at SOLVD.cloud, where we help companies automate their businesses through the use of AI and Salesforce. And today we're going to be exploring something really exciting, gems in Google Gemini. If you heard the term but aren't quite sure what gems are or how to create and use them effectively, then this video is for you. I'm going to take you through everything step by step and show you how gems can become your secret weapon for getting more out of AI. So let's dive right in. First of all, what exactly are gems? Think of gems as personalized AI assistants that you can create within the Gemini platform. Unlike a one-size-fits-all AI, a gem is customized by you to behave in a certain way. You give it detailed instructions on how you want it to respond, what kind of tone to use, what expertise it should focus on, and even how it should handle tricky questions. In short, gems are like your own mini experts that you can call whenever you want. So why exactly should you care about gems? Well, imagine you are prepping for a big job interview. You want an assistant who understands interview questions, can give you tips on answering them, and help you practice common behavioral questions. Instead of trying to reteach in a general AI every time you start a conversation, you create a gem tailored specifically as an interview prep coach. This way, your gem already knows your goals and can give you more relevant, helpful advice right away. It saves you time, improves the quality of your preparation, and boosts your confidence. Let's talk about how to create a gem. The process is surprisingly straightforward. First, head over to Gemini.google.com and log in with your Google account. Once you're inside, look for the Gem Manager on the sidebar and click on it. This is where all your gems live and where you can manage or create new ones. To start a new gem, just click on the New Gem button. This opens up a simple but powerful editor. The first thing you'll want to do is give your gem a clear, descriptive name. This helps you keep things organized, especially if you end up with several gems for different purposes. For this example, I'm just going to name my gem Interview Prep Coach. Naming it well will make it easier to find later. Next comes the crucial part, writing the instructions. This is where you tell your gem exactly how it should behave. The more detailed and clear you are here, the better your gem will perform. For the Interview Prep Coach, I'll write instructions like this. You are a knowledgeable and encouraging career coach specializing in job interview preparation. You help users practice common behavioral and technical interview questions, give advice on how to structure answers using the STAR method, and provide tips on body language and confidence. What's also really awesome with this part is you can have Gemini also alter the description that you put there. So I can click this button right here, and it makes my script even better than what I wrote, which is actually very helpful. Then once you've written your instructions, you hit create, and your gem is ready to go. You can immediately start testing it in the preview pane by asking questions or giving it tasks. For example, I might ask, how should I answer? Tell me about a time you faced a challenge at work. Gem will respond with advice on using the STAR method, situation, task, action, result, and give sample answers. If the responses aren't quite right, no worries. You can always go back and tweak the instructions to make your gem smarter and more aligned with your needs. Now, while Gemini doesn't have a formal projects feature like some platforms, organizing your gems is still really important. A good way to do this is by adopting a naming convention that groups your gems by their use case, such as starting with names with career dash for interview or resume related gems, or marketing dash for promotional content. You can also keep a simple Google Sheet or Google Doc where you list all of your gems along with their description and links. This way you always have a handy reference to find the right gem for the job. And finally, don't forget about browser bookmarks. Create folders in your bookmark bars and organize your gems in a category for quick access. Here's a few quick tips to get the most out of your gems. Always be as specific as possible when writing your instructions. Think about the kind of personality, tone, and expertise you want your gem to have and include that in your description. Don't be afraid to test your gem regularly and refine the instructions based on how it responds. Over time, small tweaks can make a huge difference in accuracy and usefulness. Also, use gems for repetitive tasks or specialized areas where you want consistent, high-quality help. This really lets you save time and keep your AI assistants focused. Things up, gems in Google Gemini are an incredibly powerful way to customize your AI experience. They let you create tailored assistants that can help you with everything from preparing for interviews to writing content or managing your schedule. By spending just a little time setting them up and organizing them well, you can supercharge your productivity and make AI work for you like never before. And if you've got any questions about building custom gems or using Gemini in your daily workflow, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help. And if you're looking to bring AI automation into your business, Solvd helps teams turn manual processes into smart and scalable systems. So make sure to head over to Solvd.cloud to book a free consultation with one of our consultants where we can talk all about AI. Or like and subscribe on this video, and make sure to check out all of our videos on the Solved.cloud YouTube channel. We have tons of great content there that we put out every week about Salesforce, AI, you name it. So make sure to not miss out on any of those updates. And we will see you on the next one.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.